Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this lecture, we will learn about one of the most important topics in Go, that is pointers. So let's dive in. Pointers are variables that store address of another variables and hence points to them. We can declare a pointer just as we declare any other variable using the var keyword, then the name and then the data type. In data type, we need to pass the star operator and then the type of variable whose address we want to store. So initially, our pointer is not pointing to any variable and hence stores the value nil. Now, let's initialize our pointer. Let's say we have a variable val of type int and its address is as given. Now, to initialize our pointer, we can use the AND operator and we can also call it address operator. And this will store the address of the val into our pointer, and now our pointer starts to point at val. Once our pointer is pointing to val, we can access and modify the value of val indirectly using our pointer. So to access the value, we can use star operator. As you can see, the given code changes the value of val. So let's create a new folder for pointers and let's name it for.pointers. Now create the main.go file. As always, let's initialize the main package and the main function. Now let's create a pointer. I want to store the address of an integer variable, so as data type I am passing star int. Now create an integer variable as well. So let's name it num and it is of type int. Let's pass the value 10 for now. Next, let's store the address of num inside our pointer. For this, we need to use the address operator and then the name of the variable. Now, let's print the value of pointer. And let's also print the value at which pointer is pointing. Let's import the fmt package. Now save the code and check the output. As you can see, pointer is storing the address and the value at which it is pointing is 10. Now, let's modify the value of num using our pointer. Let's say I want to multiply the value inside the pointer by 2. Let's print the result. Let's also print the num variable. Save the code and let's check the output. As you can see, num is changed to 20 now. As you can see, we have accessed and modified the value of num indirectly using our pointer. You might be wondering, why are we actually doing this? But do not worry, you will see actual use case of pointers in upcoming videos. And this is it for this lecture. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll see you in the next one.